Hi, this is Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning, and it's kind of dark in here today. Hopefully you can see me, but what we're gonna do is clean a bus, and I'm gonna show you how we do it with steam. It's a very big bus. You can see I have my steam machine already set up, and let me show you the easy way of how we clean it with steam. Okay, so here I have my steaming wand. Is the steam, and what the steam is going to do is going to clean and sanitize the seats while we go over them. So here we go. We'll take these couple of seats right here and we'll steam it out. There we go. Let me show you again over here. This is how we clean this. Now I know the seats are pretty clean already, but you know, this is just a process that we do to clean the seats. Now these seats got the steam. They're dry, they're still a little bit warm, but now they're clean and sanitized. And what I'll do is I'll go in the back, on the sides, in the front, everywhere, and make sure I catch every part of the seat. This will knock out any stains if there's any. I'm trying to find if there's any seats with some stains, but these seats already look good. So let me see this one. Nope, seats look good already. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue steaming it, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna do the floor and the doorways and the windows. And yeah, that's pretty much how we clean and sanitize the seats on a bus.